Sweep, sweep. To clean a floor with a broom. She needs to sweep the kitchen floor. Mop, mop. To clean or wash a floor with a mop. She will mop the living room before going to work. Vacuum, vacuum. To clean by using a vacuum cleaner. They vacuum the living room every weekend. Dust, dust. To remove dust from surfaces. She dusts the shelves before guests arrive. Scrub, scrub. To clean or rub a surface hard with a brush. He scrubs the bathtub to make it shine. Iron, iron. To press and flatten clothing with an iron. She needs to iron her clothes for work. Fold, fold. To bend something into a smaller size. They fold the laundry after it's dry. Sort, sort. To arrange items into categories. She helps sort the recycling every week. Organize, organize. To arrange or plan systematically. She likes to organize her workspace. Clean, clean. To make something free from dirt, dust, or mess. They clean the house every Saturday. Tidy, tidy. To make something neat and in order. She tidies up her room before bedtime. Wash, wash. To clean something with water or a cleaning agent. He will wash the dishes after dinner. Wipe, wipe. To clean or dry something by rubbing it with a cloth or paper towel. She wipes down the kitchen counters. Tend, tend. To care for or look after something or someone. He tends to the plants in the garden. Arrange, arrange. To put things in a particular order or position. She arranges the books on the shelf. Pack, pack. To put items into containers or luggage. They pack their bags for the trip. Unpack, unpack. To remove items from containers or luggage. She will unpack her suitcase after arriving. Hang, hang. To suspend something from a support. He hangs the laundry on the clothesline. Shop, shop. To purchase goods from a store. She needs to shop for groceries today. Cook, cook. To prepare food by mixing, heating, or stirring. He will cook dinner for the family. Bake, bake. To prepare food by heating it in an oven. She likes to bake cookies on the weekends. Sew, sew. To join or repair fabric using a needle and thread. She sews her own clothes.